Gukinyeria riu bururi wa Egypt no mareketie kuyandikithia kunyita mithini wa itano ici cia All African Games qualifiers. Mabũrũri mangĩ kuma gĩcigo gĩkĩ kĩa Afrika ya irathĩro magĩtanywo kurekereria mwerekera wao gũkinyia muthi wa kiumia gĩkĩ.
So far we only sure of Egypt, who are arriving on Sunday morning. Those other teams we're not sure about them.
Ona kuri uguo nyota ya timu ya bururi gĩtongorio ni kocha Moses Apollo na Paul Muthinja ya gũtigĩrĩra nĩ megwatĩra tigiti wa gũthiĩ Morocco mweri wa kanana. No nginyagia enino nĩ njamba ici iria cirĩ cemba kũigana.
It's high. At least for the first time we've seen the boys are really pumped up, and I think it'll get good results for the country.
Squad ya timu ya bururi itanyitwo kugunĩka hanene na gũkorwo ho kwa muthaki Mike Chemos na uria uri no menyeru wa hida iraya betikaine ici.
The last All African Games qualifiers nye tulienda tukapoteza, kulikuwa na changamoto hapa na pale. That's why hatu qualify. Like tisho na itakuwa rahisi. Ukiangalia saizi Uganda, Rwanda wako na wachezaji wapya wamekuja young na they are very energetic, so competition itakuwa ngumu kidogo, lakini tuko hapa kung'ang'ana.
Ria muthia imwana ici ciatugatire betikaine cia All African Games kwari mwaka wa 2011. Kiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.